In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you the different ways you can view your plan shifts. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your location selected. You must be in a specific location in order to do this. Then click on Templates. Next, select the plan whose shifts you want to view. I'll choose this one. You should arrive at your plan templates setting page. Go to your new top menu bar and select Plans. Now I can see a list of the planned shifts for this specific plan. If I want to view this in a true list view, I can click on List. Now I can see all of the individual shifts in this plan. They're listed chronologically by date. I can see the shift date, the start time, the end time, the group, the station, the employee, the total number of hours, the total number of break hours, and any notes. If I wanted to view a week's worth at a time, instead of everything in this list view, I could click on Week. Now I can see 1 week's worth of shifts in this plan at a time. Notice how Sunday is empty? That's because this location is closed on Sundays. Right now I'm viewing my planned shifts by station. If I click the arrow next to station, I can change the way I'm grouping these shifts. Maybe I want to view them by employee. So I'll click on employee, and now I can see which shifts are going to be assigned to which employee. If I want to view a different date range, I can click on the calendar icon and select a specific date, or I can use the forward and backward arrows. I'm going to go forward a week, and now I can see different planned shifts. I can also view this same information by day. To do that, click on Day. Now I'm viewing the planned shifts 1 day at a time, and instead of breaking it down by the days of the week, this chart is broken down by hours in the day. I can still see my scheduled shifts by employee. If I wanted to change that, I could again click the arrow next to employee, and we'll say, let's go back to station. I could also change the date, either by choosing the calendar icon or using the forward and backward arrows. Maybe I'll go backwards a day. And that's how you can view your planned shifts by list, week, and day. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.